Yes! Oh my god. Welcome to Teardown VR. Let's go ahead and start breaking stuff. So this game is called Voxel Project. It's basically Teardown, but in VR. So we have a whole bunch of things right here that we can test out. But which ones do I want to test out? Oh, this is spray paint. It works. All right, I'm gonna become a plunger. Huh? Oh, I put it in my inventory. That's cool. How do I take it out? Okay. So we got an inventory. Does this work? Oh yeah. Oh shit. It's stuck. All of the items have weight to them. Oh, we have a camera. Cheese. Just took a selfie. Okay. So these tables tell us what we can do. And over here there's explosives. We'll get to this later. Let's start off over here. So over here we got weapons. Press the trigger while holding the pump to unlock it. The pump? Oh, okay. This is cool. Not really accurate, but it's cool. All right, let's see what else is on the table. So we got a pistol right here. Can I slide the... I could slide it back. Oh my god. Does it have ammo already? No ammo. Okay. So I'm guessing there should be a mag right here. Is this the mag? What is this? A silencer. Okay. Is this a mag? What is this? Is this a mag? A grip. Bring an attachment. How do I reload? Oh, right here. Found it. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, it destroys a 1 pixel. Whoa. All right. Open the fuck up. Got him. What's in here? Can I turn on these lights? Oh, I can. Whoa, okay. They're living life lavishly. I see. I'm Gordon Ramsay. Check it out. I'm fucking Gordon Ramsay. Wait. Not like that. All right, let's go back over here. Let's get something new. I want to try these attachments. So let's get an AR. Okay. That one goes there. We could put a silencer on this one. Yup. Grip. What's this for? It's a fucking angled grip. That's dope. Can I put it on another one? I could put on both of them. Okay. Get a mag out. And then... Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see. Does this work? Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's cool. Mag pops out. Put in a new one. Lock and load. That's dope. Okay. Okay. So, what is this? A Tommy gun? Let's see. Let's test this out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Tested out the shotgun. So, we're done with this table. Let's see right here. Oh, we got a flashlight. Okay. Let's go back in the house. Drop this in there. Turn off the lights. Whoa. This looks good. A horror game like this? Oh, yeah. This would be terrifying. Who's in here? Whoa. Okay. I like it already. let's go get something else. So we have this smaller hammer, and then we have this big one. Oh yeah! I'm the Kool-Aid man. Oh yeah! My services are cheap. Free. What about this car? What can we do with this car? Oh, can we drive it? Use the trigger on the left controller brake. Yeah. To brake, trigger on the right to accelerate. Use primary button to change gears. Grab the door handle. Oh my god, no way. Vroom, vroom, motherfucker. We driving! Oh no! How do I reverse? La 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 la. I appear to be stuck. What are you doing, step bro? What's this? Press and hold. Is this a nail gun? Press and hold while using an impact driver against an object to screw it into another object. So this? Oh! I'll help you fix your wall. Don't worry. I'll fix it for you. Oh yeah, it has a joint. Oh, better. And then we have a saw. It spins! Wait. Let's take this over here. It doesn't explode. Okay, that's cool. Now we get to the explosives. How does this work? Oh shit! Can I spray paint them black? No, that doesn't work. What is this weird alien gun? Oh. Ah! Oh my god! Whee! I am ready to die. Oh. Is that an impact grenade? It's an impact grenade. Oh my god, let's blow up the house. I missed. Oh, yes. Wait, why does it beep? Does that mean it's ready to blow up? To activate it. Find the hole. Oh, yeah. On our waist here, we have two slots where we can put things, one right there, and then some on our wrist. But if we open up the tablet, you have spawn menu. Tools. Oh, it's not available in the demo. But once it's available, you'll be able to spawn things right from here. Nighttime? Oh my god. That's terrifying. If they make a horror game for VR like this, banger. Let me bring the car more this way. Can I put this inside? Oh my god, I can. Oh, oh yeah. Nothing to see here, me boys. Nothing to see here. Oh no! Yes! Oh my god! My car! Fuck you. Okay, so we have these Molotovs. Okay. Fire looks pretty good. But does it spread? Let's test it with this tree. Trees burn. Wee woo! Wee woo! Wee woo! Wee woo! Wee woo! Firefighter Lalation is on the case. Go Go away, fire! Another good deed done for the civilians. Plunger. Does this fit in like a hole like this? It does. What are you doing, step bro? I was expecting it to like not fit, but it does. Not fit. I'm a porcupine! Ah, I can't get him off. Put that over there. Take this red one. Beautiful. I don't know what that is. Subscribe if you're enjoying the video so far. Yeah. And also, don't forget to smash the fuck out of that like button. Okay, let me see. What else can we do? We got a P for penis. What is this? Wait. Piss. They bounce. I didn't know they did that. Oi, oi, oi. Who took a fucking shit? Okay, so we have some grenades still. Gonna take some of these. Some of those. We're gonna take some impact grenades. Alright, let's see what's over here. Is this just a river? Seems like there's nothing over there to explore. But there's a bridge. And if there's a bridge, you have to destroy it. It's the law. Hasta la vista, baby. Literally, the perfect game you can play if you want to just destroy shit. This tablet's indestructible. I didn't check what was in this shed though. Is this a propane tank? Does this explode? Get out the way, you stupid door. Holy shit, it explodes. Digging for gold. Digging for gold. Well, I'll see you guys on the next one.